The Whoop Nature Reserve, one of Cape Nature's flagship nature reserves, one of the most important nature reserves that we have in the Western Cape, one of Cape Nature's nature reserves, which is protected, marine protected area of approximately 28,000 hectares, pristine marine protected area, also has a wetland area that covers 780 hectares, international recognized world Ramsar site, and also it has a terrestrial area over 34,000 hectares natural area with 1,500 fynbos plant species, which some of these species is endemic to the nature reserve.
The Whoop is well known all over the world. We receive guests mostly from Germany, Switzerland and Italy, and then also our South Africans is also part of this.
It's been a great walk on the dunes. It's actually a nice view, and suddenly the rain catched us, but it's already over, so that's great. So we go further for the adventure.
Okay.
Before COVID, 60% overseas people and then also 40% of South Africans. During the COVID time, I think our South Africans done well to support the tourism side of South Africa, and we have 100% occupancy of South Africans coming here in the last bit of 2020 and also 2021.
We've always been wanting to come here. The Whoop Nature Reserve is it's the epitome of what nature can offer you.
So here at the Whoop, we have various forms of entertainment. We have a long list of activities which we created and tailor-made over the years for the guests that is coming to the reserve. We do a birding excursion, which is for birding enthusiasts, that goes around the flay area and also into the grasslands as well. Then we also have a vulture tour which happens at Potberg, which is the only existing Cape vulture colony in the Western Cape and only of the few in the country, which we have here at Potberg at the Whoop. We also do a unique marine intertidal walk, which we've tailor-made over the last 10 years and plus, which we go down to the coastal environment and explore the rocky shores.
This is at the Kopia Lane, the Whoop Marine Protected Area, where if you come at the right season, you'll see some beautiful southern right whales in the bay. Sand dunes to that side, tidal pools all the way down there, which you can also come and enjoy for a bit of snorkeling.
The other thing which we also do is a nature excursion, more focused on some of the game we have, but more towards the plant side of the reserve, as the reserve don't have that big amount of game that most properties have. We boost with quite a significant amount of flowers, up to 1,500. Then we also do a boat excursion as well, which goes out onto the wetland. And the wetland is one of the first wetlands to be proclaimed as an international Ramsar site. And we do a boat cruise excursion of roughly also 2 hours out on the wetland as well. For the fanatic cyclists, we also do a cycling tour, which is a more slow-paced cycling tour, which we identify some of the interesting facts along the way and we explain that.
Hi, and welcome to the Whoop, especially welcome to the Fig Tree, where we have our exquisite cuisine from day to day, where we change our menu every evening. As far as the food goes, we like to mix our food with typical South African feel-good meals, and then just a little bit of twist, you know, with a trained tongue and trained palate. We've got this brilliant cellar, which we host about 600 different types of wines, and we make it an experience for our guests to come into the cellar and choose their own wine.
We also have venue for weddings. So there's a range of different activities which we have on the property.